Hi everyone, Cyber41 here, well known as Michael. Today I'm starting a Linux Wargames series where I'll be solving cybersecurity challenges step by step. The first series of episodes will be on OverTheWire Bandit, where I'm going to go from level 0 all the way to level 34, while explaining everything as simply as I can. So, before we go into our terminal and start shooting commands, I would like to go on what is Bandit first. Bandit is a Linux war game designed to teach the basics of working in a terminal and understanding how systems are structured. The goal of each level is simple. Find the password that lets you move to the next level. For this first video, we're just going to connect to the server using SSH and retrieve the password to go further on to level 1. So, Bandit Zero is an introduction to SSH. The goal for this level is, as described, for you to log into the game using SSH. The host to which you need to connect is bandit.labs.overthewire.org on port 2220, with your username being bandit0 and the password to access that username being bandit0 as well. So, to SSH to a server, there's a specific format that you should use for SSH. First of all, you have to write the command. And to SSH to bandit0, the first thing we need to put is the username followed by the hostname .org, and finally the port on which we're going to access the server hostname. We're in. Now the only thing needed is the password to access bandit0, which was given to us as bandit0. For this part, you are going to tap in the password, but you will not see it, but it's being written. As long as you make sure that you're typing the right password, you're fine, and just click enter, and you will access bandit0. Now, moving on from level 0 to access level 1. The goal of this level, as said, is going to be able to find the password for level 1. As described, the password for the next level is stored in a file called readme located in the home directory. Use the password to log into Bandit 1 using SSH. Whenever you find a password for a level, use SSH on port 2220 like we did previously. So, to access the password for level 1, we were told that it would be inside of a file located in the home directory of Bandit0, where inside the file would contain the password. While accessing to Bandit0, always access the home directory of the user account that we're using. So, README is inside this directory, as shown. Now, how are you going to be able to see it or access it? Well, like I said, these videos are to help you go through step by step, but also kind of go through the process you have to think about. So, I will be explaining the commands that I use, kind of taking into account that the viewers might be beginners or people who want to learn the commands. So, the first command I will use would be ls, that stands for list segment, that allows you to see all the visible file inside a directory. As we can see, the home directory contains a file called readme. So, knowing that we have the file inside, we just have to read it. Now, how are we going to read it? Well, since they didn't ask to modify, we don't have to go far, and we can use commands such as concatenate. This command helps to print out the text inside of a file into the directory. Into the terminal. So if I was to do cat readme, it will print into the terminal the text that's inside readme, which will basically be the password. And from that, I will be able to copy it and use it for my next level. I will not be doing it in this video because the goal of this video is to guide you towards the password, but not give you the password. Because Bandit would probably not like that, and I am not trying to give free resources, but just help you understand how to walk through these challenges. Quick note, if you want to continue doing Bandit's level, I would recommend you to have a file where you're going to save the password for each level you complete to make it easier on yourself for when you want to come back and continue on a level you were at. and avoid losing a password and having to repeat a level that you've already done to go back to a level you were already at. Also, and I'll be linking in the description my GitHub repository for the step-by-steps for the different levels of Bandit. I've completed a couple of them, but Bandit has recently refreshed their password, which is why I had to redo them. I did not finish Bandit, but since I am going to be redoing them, might as well make videos for people and have a step-by-step guide, not giving you the answer, but kind of helping you with your thought process on how to get to the password and move forward. Hope this was a good enough explanation and hope to see you for the next video. Thank you for watching. If you're learning Linux or cybersecurity, consider subscribing. I'll be finishing all Bandit levels and other Linux war games in the future.